guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will be unboxing this BOYA by-M1 microphone, which is a very good quality and it gives you premium sound. So let's get started and unbox things. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the notification of my new videos. As you can see, this is the BOYA by-M1. I got this from Flipkart at 800 rupees. The original price written as you can see, it's 1995, around 2000. As you can see, some of the features of this mic. You can connect with the smartphone, DSLR and Camcorder, audio recorder, PC and etc. So let's open it. As you can see, this is a good leather case in which the mic is kept. So we will check this later. Let's see what else we get in the box. And these are the quick start guide and other things, how to set up and how to replace the battery and etc. Let's keep it aside. This is the warranty card, and this is the jack, which is, I don't know what is the use of this, but they give, because you can see the size of it is so big. Let's keep it aside. Let's check this. So here's the mic you get. Leather case. So this is the mic. So this is around 5 meters long. This is so big. So as you can see, this is the high quality condenser, which can be open, and you can insert the battery for making it work. As you can see, I have already inserted it. Let's close this. As you can see, here is the button for camera and the smartphone, for which you are using. If you are using a smartphone, go into smartphone. If you are camera, press it up. And if you are using a smartphone, then down. So this is the mic. It comes. You can keep it. And so it's a good quality mic. You can give a try if you are making a YouTube video. This is a very good quality mic in low price, in 800. So let's check the voice of this cable. So the voice you will hear next will be from BOYA B. So here the voice you can hear, which is by BOYA by-M1. As you can see, the voice is really clear. So in the previous sound I was recording with smartphone MIC, and this is from the BOYA M1, which is a very really good quality mic. So you can buy this from Flipkart, Amazon. I will provide the link in the description below, so you can go and buy. So yeah, this was the unboxing, and if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. And if you have any queries about this, you can ask me in the comment down. So yeah, that was it.